Short-term effect of exercises on muscular system. Increased blood supply. During exercise, in order to match demand of fuel to muscle, the supply or concentration of blood increases in the whole body, or in the particular muscle group where activity is largely impacted. Increased muscle temperature. During exercises, muscles demand energy, which comes from contracting muscles. During the process, a lot of heat energy is generated, which increases the temperature of muscles and/or the body. Increased muscle flexibility. Due to increase in blood flow and rise in temperature, elasticity of muscles increases. Stretching and mobility exercises also play a dominant role in increasing muscular flexibility. Accumulation of lactate. Muscles requires oxygen. If blood supply does not provide appropriate volume of oxygen to muscles, it leads to accumulation of lactate acid in muscles, which result in pain and soreness in muscles. Microtears in muscle fibers. During exercises, muscle tissue is placed under stress, which results in microtears in muscle fibers. The body responds by repairing the muscle fibers and making them larger. When a muscle gets bigger, this process is called hypertrophy. Anaerobic activity. More intense exercise. Blood glucose trends down. Blood glucose trends up, mixed aerobic and anaerobic activity. Time. More sustained exercise. Aerobic activity. Long-term effects of exercise on muscular system. Hypertrophy of muscle. Scientific and systematic exercise leads to increase in thickness of muscle fibers that results in increase in muscle size, also known as muscle hypertrophy. Increase in strength of ligaments and tendons. Regular exercise helps to strengthen bones, ligaments, and tendons. This helps prevent injury and promotes performance. Increase in size and number of mitochondria. Aerobic exercises leads to increase in size and numbers of mitochondria, and which take in more oxygen and produce more ATP and energy. Increase in myoglobin storage. Long-term effect of aerobic exercise is to increase the storage of myoglobin, which transports oxygen to mitochondria. Large amount of myoglobin means large amount of oxygen and large amount of energy. Increase in glycogen storage. Glycogen is generally stored in muscles and liver. Regular exercise helps the body to increase the storage of glycogen, which may give continuous energy for 90 to 120 minutes. Increase in oxidation. Metabolism. Endurance exercise training increases the capacity of skeletal muscle fat oxidation by increasing mitochondrial density. Long-term exercises demand a lot of energy, and to meet this demand, metabolism increases due to oxidation of fat. This leads to increase in provision of energy. Increase in lactate acid tolerance. Regular exercises help to tolerate pain and sourness in muscles due to accumulation of lactate acid.